Hey everybody, it's Phil with Behringer. How you doing today? Welcome to Music Group Studios. I want to talk to you today about the PHORIA UM2. This is an audiophile 2x2 audio interface with a XENYX mic preamplifier. So in the studio, this is going to be great for either if you're producing your own tracks and you're in the control room and you just need a 2-input thing, awesome, it's going to work out great. If you have somebody in the booth in a separate room, and you want to record with them, where it's this producer and singer on the opposite side of the glass, it's going to work for that as well. You can either have the box in the control booth with you or out in the booth for the vocalist or whatever else you're hooking up to the UM2. So this is a 2x2 audio interface, USB out and analog out, and there's ways to plug into it, such as the combo jack and the 1/4-inch jack on the front. So one input, like I said, combo jack, which means XLR or 1/4-inch can be plugged in, and then the second input is a 1/4-inch. Also on the front panel is a headphone jack, a stereo headphone jack for monitoring, and a switch for direct monitoring, because this is a USB computer device, right? So it takes time for the signal to get from the microphone to the box, through USB, to your software, and back, okay? It's called latency, and it can be a problem when you're recording. Not if you hit the direct monitoring switch on the front of the UM2. It gives you the signal right off of the microphone so you hear it directly. Okay, so when you're recording with the software, there's no delay whatsoever. It's awesome. So on the back panel of the UM2, you have the 2 analog outputs on RCA. You do have phantom power in this to power that XENYX mic pre. And what that means is that you can use dynamic or condenser microphones, studio-grade condenser microphones. So it gives you a wide array, a lot of choices of what kind of microphone you want to use, which means you can record a lot of different kind of signals as well. Anything from guitar amps to vocals, whatever you want. The UM2 is powered via USB, so you don't have to worry about any other wall warts or anything else to connect with on this. You just plug the USB port into the back of this, it's powered, and then you can plug your audio source in and record right away. So Traction software is available at Behringer.com as a free download. So you get the UM2, you get the software, you start plugging and playing and recording right away. How cool is that? The UM2 is going to work cross-platform, and by that I mean it's going to work on XP or on Mac OS. You're not going to need any drivers or anything like that. It's so simple. It's plug and play. You connect it in, it's going to work. And the UM2 is going to be seen and be usable with all the popular software platforms. So it's going to work on Logic, Pro Tools, Cubase, all the usual suspects are going to see it and work right away. So the UM2 is going to be great live in the sense that if you're a touring musician, you know how it is on the road, you're touring, you still want to record, you have great ideas, but you're not in your studio and you can't get access to a studio after a gig, maybe 11 or 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. However, when you get back to the hotel, you have your laptop and the UM2 and you can continue to write music. You have status, signal, and clip lights so that you can overview and see all your signal levels at a glance. So this is the UM2. For more information and media, please feel free to come visit us at Behringer.com. Thanks for joining us here at Music Group Studios.